Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on MTL token. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this big descending triangle, and I also want to show you how MTL is trying to break out this key resistance on the daily time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me just start with this recent trade setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon when MTL completed a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move. And by the way, this trade setup was with Bitcoin pair. MTL completed this bullish reversal setup with Bitcoin pair. Therefore, I'm going to tell you the values in Bitcoin. And I told my members that from here we can expect a reversal move because this is a perfect Gartley, and our buying zone was from 6075 and goes to 5962. And after playing this chart, we can see that MTL slightly moved down here below this buying zone, and here we had another support that is approximately at 58. And after testing this support, you can see that previously we had a bounce here, we had a bounce here, we had a bounce here, and here and here. Recently, we have few bounces by this support, from this support, and after testing this support, you can see that it is pumped well and even moved beyond this sell zone of the Gartley move. Now, if we take a look at the MTL with the US dollar pair on the weekly time frame, then here you can see that MTL is getting bounced from the support of a very big descending triangle, and you can see that we have tested the support here and here and here and here, and recently we have tested the support here on 9th of May, and right now we were moving sideways above this support, and we have few rejections by the resistance as well. And the price line after testing this support and having some sideways move is likely to start a reversal move from this support. And at the same time, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have two major support and resistance levels, and it is also a key resistance, and I'm expecting after breaking out this $1.62, there will be a very high probability that MTL will soon break out this bigger triangle as well. And previously you can see that this $1.62 has been working as a support here, as a resistance here, as a support here, and as a support here, as a resistance here, as a support here. And recently you can see we had a rejection by this resistance. If we switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, then this rejection is more visible, and now we are moving here at $1.43. And for example, if we will be completely rejected, it will move more down, then it can again test this support of $1.16. And previously this level had been breaking as support here and here and here and here as well. Here we had a very long spike to the downside, but recovered very soon. And here we tested the support, and here we tested the support back in January 2022. Therefore, in case of moving down from here at this support, it can again work as a strong support for the price line of MTL. But I'm not expecting that we are going to test this support. At the same time, you can see that it has also formed this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. Not inverse, a normal head and shoulder pattern. And by the way, this is a bearish reversal move. You can see that here we have a left shoulder, a head, and this is the right shoulder. And right shoulder works as a strong resistance. And in case of inverse head and shoulder pattern, right shoulder works as a strong support. So if I place this trend line exactly at this right shoulder, then exact value we are having for this right shoulder is at $1.57. So this level can work as a strong resistance from $1.57 to $1.62. And once we will be able to break it out, then we can expect that soon it can also break out this resistance of the triangle. But if it will be completely rejected, then there will be still probability that we can test this support. And if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart once again and place a stochastic oscillator here on this weekly time frame, then we can see that Stochastic is forming lower lows, and at the same time, if we take a look at the price line, then it is forming a higher low than previous low. So there is also a very big hidden bullish divergence while we are getting bounced from the support of the triangle. You can see that this hidden bullish divergence is flashed on this weekly time frame chart. Therefore, I'm expecting that we will not test the support of $1.16, and we can break out this resistance of this head and shoulder pattern as well. That is the right shoulder, very strong resistance on the daily time frame chart. And for example, if we will break out the right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern, in case of that situation, we can also break out this triangle as well. And after breaking out this triangle, our target can be here. That will be approximately at $8.09. And by the way, before that, once we will be able to break out this resistance of the triangle that we have approximately at $2.18, the next key resistance on the bigger time frame, on the weekly time frame, will be at $3.50. And you can see on the weekly time frame, it has been breaking as a resistance here, and we have several rejections on the weekly time frame chart here as well. And this was the last rejection that when we were rejected by the resistance of the triangle, and also this resistance of the $3.50 at the same time. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.